to add a video to your Squarespace website? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, log into your Squarespace account. Click Login, then choose Continue with Google if you want the fastest way in. Once inside, select your website from the list. Next, click Edit to open your site editor. Here, you can change and customize your pages. Now, click Add Block and scroll until you see Video. Select it to add a video block to your page. Click the pencil icon to open the block settings, then choose Add from Link. Paste your YouTube or Vimeo link into the box and click Add. Your video is now embedded right where you placed it. Before you're done, hit Save or Publish to make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Squarespace site in just a few steps. Thanks for watching.